to introduce the new LS House member who's going to be getting turboed, canned and all the rest of it. And it's also Friday night, time to let off some steam. The ute is all back together, motor's all assembled, all the pretty shiny bits are in there, you can't even see now. It just looks normal again. That's a bit annoying. But yeah, all the hard work is paid off hopefully. We're about to do the first startup. Jake's car's all reassembled, everything's done. Well, you just got to put oil in it. Have you put oil in it yet?
No, I haven't put oil in it yet. Just got to put oil in it. And then drive it home, drive it back, do it all over again. Put head gaskets in it.
Oh yeah, you're planning on doing head gaskets tomorrow, eh? I don't think you will. You reckon you will?
I'm going to give it a crack. See how I feel in the morning.
See how we go.
I'll try.
See how we go. So yeah, it's been a long couple of days. I'm not even sure what time it is now, but I know we haven't finished before 9 o'clock.
Roughly 10.
All week, and it's Thursday. So let's prime the oiling system on this, on Sam, and then fire him up.
See if it does the lumps. Hashtag lumpy cam.
Plug my starter motor in right?
It only has 2 wires.
Battery's not flat. Oh, maybe it's
freaking
power.
It's not tight enough?
Ah, this is very scary. Can't even feel it.
I think it's prime now.
What the heck's going on here?
Feels tight. Plug's on.
Oh wait, is that earth on?
That'll do it.
Where does that earth come from? Where is he?
I'm just hanging down here somewhere, I believe.
Does he normally go with that loom or something, does he? He's not on the motor. So, where does this come from? Found him. Alright, so we're missing the earth. Not a bad bloody effort. One thing so far.
That's why you don't do the wiring.
Yeah, this is exactly why I don't do the wiring. Told you. Freaking told you. I guess that's what this little short bolt's for that I was looking at earlier.
There's going to be a lot of editing out in this video.
This is raw, mate. Raw footage.
I think we're allowed to have this mistake.
Yeah, it's fair enough.
It's been a long week.
I blame no one but Jake.
For not doing the wiring.
How dare you work on your own car, Jake?
Don't need that yet.
Reese, stop it. Stop touching things.
You freaking broke it.
It was tight. I swear I did that up.
With your fingers.
No, if I done it, my finger was snapped.
Less than a nut.
Alright, we'll get these bolts done and we'll come back.
We good? Alright, Earth is on. Round 2.
Action.
Sounds really loud out the exhaust already.
Yeah. You have to see how much extra air it's getting.
She's playing the plugs.
She's tight.
Priming it.
Injectors aren't plugged in. We're getting oil pressure up. Alright. Should be enough.
Plug them in.
I hope it sounds bloody glorious. I dare say I have to touch up the tune a fair bit.
Click.
We'll see.
Delete some time.
Click. Let's go. Look at that smile.
Oh yeah. That brings me back to the old black U.
He sounds nice and lumpy.
That's friggin' tough.
I'll get rid of the Ecotec.
There's that, guys. Hard work does pay off. What? 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 It tuned itself. Listen to it, Jake. Listen to it.
Friggin' shaking.
That's so sick. That's awesome, guys. I am bloody stoked. Yeah. It smells like that, the assembly loop. It's real like It's like a nitro car smell.
It smells like race car.
Huh?
It smells like race car.
Yeah.
It's on my 18.
There you go, guys. We're gonna let it warm up, get up the temperature. I think the V-band on the back of the turbo is leaking a little bit, so I've got to move that around so it stops leaking, so we can get a correct reading on the wideband. But everything seems bloody perfect. All that hard work paid off. So we'll cut back soon. We'll start Jake's car up and run that up, make sure everything's all good. But we want to get everything done so we can get out of here. It's the next morning. Me and Jake made it home safely in both the vehicles, which is good. We didn't get to film any more last night because we were just running him up, making sure everything's good and getting everything sorted out.
You get excited?
And yeah, much too much excitedness.
La, 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 la.
I'm tired, very tired. Insert meme here. But yeah, everything went well. Sam's running like a dream. I think I need to do some laptopping and add a bit more fuel and stuff like that, but that's no biggie. We can get onto that when we have a chance. I'm just happy it's all back together and I'm not as crazy as Jake. This crazy
Going under the knife again.
This crazy fella, the bottom end wasn't enough for him yesterday, so now he's going to pull the top back off. You're a maniac.
Head gaskets and LS7 lifters. Should be good.
So yeah, like we were saying the other day, we got some new gaskets. Should be better than the factory. Not quite as good as the metal ones, but not quite as bad as the metal ones on your pocket either. So we're gonna try these out, see how they go. If they're good, we'll be letting I think we showed the number and stuff the other day of what they are actually, the part number. So the part number's on YouTube. We'll see how they go. As you know, we're the test guinea pigs for all this stuff to keep your budget in mind. So we're going to see how they go. They're in my car already. Jake's going to put his on. He's going to get the other head skimmed because obviously we got the other one done the other week. Maybe, probably not. We'll see.
I'm broke.
But best case scenario, at least he'll have the new head gaskets and he's chucking a set of fancy LS7 lifters in there. Genuine, none of that aftermarket crap. Just because obviously when his pickup got blocked and all the bearings have already been done, so may as well do any other wearing component parts when it comes to oil. So push rods, lifters, stuff like that. Make sure they're all on point. Because once he does these gaskets and he's got his lifters, he's got everything, he should be able to turn it up finally. So yes, we're already pushing big boost, well, big-ish. It's like 25. I'm on about 25 still. Jake should be on roughly 30 like he's been for a while. But with this head gasket leaking, which one was it? That one. Yeah, that one. With that head gasket leaking, he obviously hasn't really been getting up at too much. He has, but it's not
been good for things.
It's not been good for it. So get in, get that done. As you can see,
It's very blown.
it's already blown. No, not already. That's not the one we done. The one we done the other week is still fine, happy. But we want to try these new gaskets out, and this one needs replacing anyway. So we're gonna get that done. I've got some other work to do for the shop, while Jake friggin' just bees crazy and pulls his car apart again.
Yay!
If I see the inside of the Ecotec in the next week, that's it. No more Ecotecs. But yeah, just thought I'd give you an update, guys. This one will just be for, I don't know, probably just the start
Bits
of the ute and stuff last night, and then probably this just as a little update. But we will have some more footage coming for you soon. We might do a bit of road tuning. Jake will probably do something, but keep your eyes peeled And we'll catch you in the next one, guys. Thank you for watching. Peace.
Keep it straight, guys.
So now it's probably a better time than ever to introduce the new LS House member who's going to be getting turboed, cammed and all the rest of it. And it's also Friday night, time to let off some steam. Keep going, they're not popped.
What?
Keep going, they're not popped.
Wait.
Nice. Nice.
Good old Friday night shed skids.
She'll be right.
No less. It's not hot.
Is it at 140?
I
Oh, it's not hot then.
don't know. That came up on the dash.
Hot. Ah, don't worry about that. Ugh. Put one. I can't see. Well, maybe it is hot.
Yeah, what if that hot?
Yeah, it should be right. Oh, how does that hurt the legs?
I can see.
Ow!
What'd you do?
There's rubber stuck to me.